Alright, here we got a 270 Cummins Diesel engine that came out of a 1984 Volvo Semi. It had 340,000 miles on it when pulled. As far as I could tell, it had no major damage with the engine. The truck had the rear ends borrowed out from under it for another project, and that's why it was parked. This still has the turbo and everything on it. Still has the transmission. The only damage that I see to the engine, the front timing gear cover where the alternator mounts, has been repaired. I'll try to get you a picture of that. Right there along that line. Right down through there. Anyways, we're going to start it up here for you, let you see how it runs. Runs really good. There's sucking a little, blowing a little air from that air compressor. That's what that noise is. Pretty nice sounding Cummins. As you can see, we have it pretty jerry-rigged. Could be the reason why it's smoking. It's only the second time I've ever ran an engine like this, so